Henan Baydee Plastic Industry Company Limited is headquartered in Xunshan County, Hebei City, and the branch is located in the industrial park of this country, where the transportation is convenient and the geographical position superior. Covering an area of 63,000 square meters, registered capital of 150 million, enterprise has 492 staffs, annual production of 72,000 tons. Baydee has been the professional production-oriented enterprise, including PVC-U Profiles R&D, production and sales in the central China. Baydee Enterprises has the advanced production lines and inspection equipment. Our raw materials adopt the International Advanced Eco-Friendly Stabilizers, American DuPont Titanium Dioxide, and Swiss Ciba UV Convert Agent. During the production process, we strictly adhere to the Window and Door Profile National Standard GB T8814-2004 and ISO 9001 Quality Management System. Baydee products consist of 60, 65, 70 casement series, add 60, 80, 88, 92, 112 sliding series, which are available in white, full color with wood film, double color extrusion, ASA, full color, and aluminum plastic composite series products. Baydee Enterprise has passed the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification. So far, the company has exported the products to many countries around the world like Canada, India, Pakistan, Guatemala, the Middle East, Africa, South America, and so on. Welcome to visit and contact us.
We can provide UPVC profiles for window and door, which meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.